Let's understand this coding part. So the first line will improve the necessary functions by including the RFID library. In the next two lines, you need to define the data pin and reset pin that are connected to pin number 10 and 9 of the Arduino. So you need to define it. In the next line, this line RFID and the variable SDA pin and RST pin inside the bracket. So this particular line will set up the MFRC, that is MFRC RFID card. So it will set up that card on the Arduino. Next, you need to define the input 1, as I'm using the input 1 of the relay module. It is connected to pin number 8. So this is defined over here. In the next line, you'll need an array named as card to store the particular value that is specified for each RFID tag or RFID card simply. So you need to store the particular value. So for this purpose, I am using here the array named as card. Inside the void setup function, the serial.begin will start the serial monitor. SPI is basically stands for serial peripheral interface. So it will basically begin the serial connection. In the next line, the pin mode function here used here to define the IN1 pin, that is the input one that is connected to pin number 8 to use it as the output. Then digital write IN1 high, this will keep the low to the digit relay module, because the relay is a kind of active load device. It means whenever I will give the low signal, the relay will be high. So if you hear as this is the high, so it will keep the relay to the low. Inside the void loop function, this statement RFID dot is card, this particular function will return the boolean values, that is true or false. If any kind of RFID tag or a RFID card is present, then it will return, and if it is true, then the RFID dot read card serial, this particular function will read the serial value of the card, and now I need to match the particular card value to the specified value. So again, this if statement to match the values, and if the value get matched to the particular value, so if it is matched, then I need to turn the LED on. So here you will write the input 1 to the low, because as I already explained, this is the active low device, the relay module. So you need to write low to glow the LED, and if it is not matched, so then you need to turn off the LED, means the person will not be allowed for the to control the LED or something, like you would not like to give the permission, because the RFID value would not get matched in this case. So in this case, the relay module will be turned off. So this was the simple code for our project.